Alright, right here we got another Supra Easy mod, but it's not for the Supra. It's for the M2. Right here are 10 mil spacers from Dynan. I went with 4 10 mils for all around the car, and then obviously the extended lugs. So we get to open these up, and then we're gonna jack the car up real quick and get this Super Easy mod out of the way. I don't feel like using the quick jacks today, so we're gonna do it the old-fashioned way, or one wheel at a time way. So I'm just gonna break the lugs loose right now and grab a jack pad, and then get this wheel off and throw that spacer on. Pull these two out. Just need one right now. That's all it is. And then I am gonna run these lugs in just to make sure they fit, because it was a little hard ordering from Dynan this stuff. So I'm gonna go run these in the car right now. So now we got a little bit more visibility. Obviously the tire's still going to settle as I drive it up the street or whatever. But it's pretty good. Let's go see the other side and get a comparison. See how sunk in that is? Let's go straight over. A daisy view. Wow.
What's that right?
Alright, so I just set the car back down after doing this side, and it looks way better. And it's not even settled yet, so I'm going to put everything away.
Daisy, sit. Good girl, baby. Good girl. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Alright, so now I'm going to do some little drive-bys. Just like the other videos. You know how it is. But did a lot. I didn't think much of the 10 mil. I didn't think the 10 mil was going to do much. But that's actually surprising to me. Even the front too. Alright guys, this is going to be the end of the video today. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, drop a like, comment, subscribe, and join me on the next one. Thank you guys.